come here because it is Christmas. Yes. Do you know why we celebrate Christmas? Because it is Jesus Christ's birthday. Yes. You want to hear how he was born? You want to hear a Christmas story? Yes? Okay. Okay. So many years ago, there was a small town named Nazareth, and there was a young Jewish girl named Mary, and she got married to a good man named Joseph, and he was a shepherd. Yes. And you know one day what happened? A fairy came in front of Mary.
Who are you? Do not be afraid, Mary. God loves you very much. God has sent me here to have a baby boy. A baby boy? Yes, a son. He will be called Jesus. He will be great. He will be called a son of the God. And the handmaid of Lord may God do with me as He wants to.
So Mary wanted to do just as God asked her to do. So Mary and Joseph made their way to Bethlehem. And when they reached there, do you know what happened? They did not find any place to stay.
Mary, make yourself comfortable, and then I will find a suitable place to stay. Okay, Joseph.
So Joseph desperately started looking for shelter, but he couldn't find any place to stay. So sadly he comes back to Mary.
Mary, I couldn't find any place for us. Dear Mary, how do you feel? I'm very tired, Joseph. Please don't worry. God will provide a place for us.
So poor Joseph and Mary, they were so tired. They just didn't know what to do.
Oh God, tell me what to do. I have no clue, no idea what to do.
Sadly, Mary and Joseph had no place to go, no place to stay. And then, you know what? They found one place. Yes, it wasn't any castle, nor was a fancy building. You know what it was? It was a stable. You know what a stable is? It's where horses live. Yes. And nobody would have imagined that a son of God would be born here.
I will get some fresh air for you so that you can make some picnic life.
So you know what happened that night? A baby boy was born. Yes. And you know who he was? He was Jesus Christ, the Son of God. What a wonderful night it was. Big star shining in the sky. So now let us see who's coming here.
There's a surprise coming up. So everybody ready for the surprise? Yes? Be ready. Music on the Ask them. Take some noise. Yes, yes. Left to right.
There is a man with a cute white beard, and Santa is his name.